Change the workspace switching. Select 3D modeling. Change the view from view controls. Select SE isometric. Click on rectangle. Specify first corner point anywhere on the screen. Click on the dimension. Enter the length. Enter the width. Press enter. Give the direction. Click. Go to the press pull. Select this rectangle. Go to the press pull. This is press pull option in modeling section. Go to the press pull. Select this rectangle. Give the direction in upward direction. Enter the height 16%. Go to the copy edges in solid editing. Extract edges, drop down menu, last option, copy edges. Select this edge, press enter, give the direction. Click on this corner point. Do not click on this. Just give the direction and leave the mouse. Now enter the offset distance 16, press enter. Now go to the offset option, click on offset, enter the offset distance 16, press enter, select this line and offset this line again to 16. Now go to the copy edges, select this is now, this is now. Select, just click on it, press enter, give the direction in this direction. Just click on this corner but do not click on the other corner. Keep the mouse in the direction of the offset. Now press the distance 20, press enter. Go to the circle, drop down menu, 2-point circle. Give the 2 points of the diameter. Trim the unwanted lines. Go to the press pull. When this highlight, just left click and go to the downward direction, click anywhere. Again go to the copy edges, click on this cells, press enter. Select this corner point, give the direction but do not click on the other point. Enter 16. Go to the press pull. When this rectangle highlights, give direction in upward direction and press the 48, the height of the box. Type flat is as. Click on this is. Click on radius in the command prompt. Enter 32. Press enter, enter, enter. Go to the copy edges. Go to the copy edges. Press enter. Give the direction. Press 22. Offset. Distance 42. 40. Distance 40. Trim the unwanted lines. Go to the press pull, select this box, go to the in the upward direction, press 28. Just type 28 and press enter. Go to the polyline, click on it, press enter. Go to the extrude, select this, press enter, give the direction. Go to the line option, click on this corner, then this corner, and this corner. Close the triangle, press enter. Go to the join, press enter. Select these three lines. Just right click outside the screen. Go to the extrude. Go to the circle, select the center radius circle, and we need to draw a circle on this highlighted plane only, not on this plane. We need to draw the circle on this vertical plane. So when this vertical plane highlight, click on the midpoint and give the radius of the circle, that is 12. Now, again go to the press pull. When this bottom semicircle highlighted, click on it. This is the required 3D object. Go to the 2D wireframe and shades of gray. This is your 3D model ready. Now you can delete these unwanted lines.